What's this book called?
Press here. Press here.
And turn the page. Great. Now, press the yellow dot again. There's two of them, huh? Perfect. Rub the dot on the left gently.
On my left.
Yep. Well done. And now the one on the right, gently.
And just like that.
Fabulous. 5 quick taps on the yellow. Only 5.
It worked.
And 5 taps on the red. And on the blue. Perfect. Now shake the book just a little bit. Try shaking the book just a little bit, okay?
Yep.
Not bad, but maybe a little harder. There, well done. Now tilt the page to the left and see what happens. Good job with your left.
Wow.
And then to the right a little more.
A lot more.
Excellent. Shake the book one more time. Wait. Just to get everything back in order. Interesting. Try pressing down really hard on all the yellow dots. Okay, what happens now?
Whoa, black.
Not bad. Shake them up a little. That's
totally low.
Pretty, isn't it? Try blowing on them to get rid of the black. Not spitting on.
No, I'm not.
Maybe a bit harder? Oops, that might have been a little too hard. Stand the book up straight to make those dots drop down. Again. There you go. That's perfect. Now clap your hands once. Whoa, clap twice. Three times. That was 4.
No, I went 1, 2, 3.
More. Clap more. Hey, what happens?
Ah!
Oh.
Too much.
Uh-oh. Too loud. Quick, press the white dot. Bravo. Want to do it again?
Yeah.
Want to do it all over again? Back to the beginning is this way.
Reverse.